In this video I'll explain technique I wish I knew when I started Layercraft. Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my Layercraft channel. It was a while since my face appeared on your screen and I will try to get back with such videos more often. Please consider subscribing if you are interested in Layercraft. In this video I'll explain technique I wish I knew when I started Layercraft. I mean joint on multiple pockets. Actually I always try to show it in my craft videos, but now I'll dive deeper and explain step by step everything. Okay, first of all, what problem this technique solves? If you join pocket just regular way, the step between your pricking iron should hold both upper and lower pocket at the joint. I quite often experience rips at that place after sewing before using this technique. So what I do now? First step, I take my pricking iron, first tooth just over upper pocket and take a mark that way. Then I adjust my divider to this point and make markings. And same distance on the flash side of lower pocket. After I cut there at the angle like that. Now pockets slightly overlap and it makes this tiny pricking iron step to hold both pockets over full length of the step. Couple years ago I saw this technique somewhere on Instagram and it was a game changer for me. That's it from me today. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find at my webshop strhandmade.com or on my Etsy shop. Links down below in video description. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more upcoming videos and see you next time. Bye!